What if your smartwatch could save your sleep and maybe even your life? Samsung just teamed with Stanford Medicine to revolutionize how we tackle sleep apnea, and it's dropping now. This isn't just tech, it's a health game changer. Stick around to see how it works and why you need to know about it. Today, Samsung and Stanford University dropped a bombshell. They're collaborating on a groundbreaking health project, kicking off with Samsung's FDA-approved sleep apnea feature. Announced on World Health Day, this isn't just about gadgets, it's about taking sleep seriously. Samsung's Galaxy Watch already detects moderate to severe sleep apnea, and now with Stanford's top researchers, they're pushing it further. Think proactive care, AI-powered insights, and a whole new way to sleep better. Here's why this is huge. Sleep apnea affects millions, and most don't even know they have it. Left unchecked, it can mess with your heart, energy, everything. Samsung's sleep apnea feature, already greenlit by the FDA, Korea, and now Brazil, spots the signs while you snooze. It's on the Galaxy Watch, and it's expanding to 29 countries by late April. But this Stanford collab, it's next level. They're not stopping at detection, they're building tools for daily monitoring and management. Imagine waking up knowing exactly how to fix your sleep. Leading this charge are Stanford's sleep wizards, Professor Robson Capasso and Professor Khalid Kashida. Capasso's all about ethical tech that actually works, saying this could redefine how we handle sleep apnea and beyond. Samsung's Dr. Han Pak chimed in too, saying, "We're blending their research muscle with our tech know-how to unlock preventative care like never before." This isn't just some sci-fi fantasy, it's real, and it's happening now with a study using your friendly neighborhood smartwatch. So, what's the plan? Step 1. Perfecting sleep apnea detection. Step 2. Leveraging AI to track your sleep every night and give you actionable tips. Step 3. Managing sleep health so you're not just surviving, you're thriving. This collab is about empowerment, giving you the tools to spot issues early and dodge long-term health risks. With Samsung's track record and Stanford's brainpower, the future of sleep is looking bright, and it starts with your wrist. Ready to sleep smarter? The sleep apnea feature is rolling out to more Galaxy Watch users worldwide. Brazil's next in late April. Want in? Head to Samsung.com to check if it's live in your country and see how the Galaxy Watch can level up your health game. Don't wait. Sleep apnea doesn't mess around, and neither should you. Hit the link in the description, explore the details, and stay tuned for updates on this epic collab. That's the scoop on Samsung and Stanford's sleep revolution. Are you hyped for this? Drop a comment. Do you use a smartwatch for health tracking? Let us know.